All right, we're out here in Lawrenceville, Georgia, helping out Miss Debbie Charlotin with the assessment repair. We do have our wind damage shingle here in pink. As we can see there, we have our adjacent shingles in green. We'll be using our roof snake required by all the bigger insurances to break the seals, take the nails out, pop the shingle out, put it right back in. That way we don't disrupt anything with HOA. And keep it all the same color. So we'll just take good photos of before and after and we'll get rolling. You'll see that I'll be very careful trying to not lift the shingles above 45 degrees. Yep, we'll be nice and slow and be real gentle and try to just give a fair assessment here. Hand it off. Get this thing rolling. I'll be lifting just enough so I can see where these nails are. A lot of times they're getting nailed a little high, so just be mindful of that. Real nice and easy there. Too high here. Yeah, exactly. That was a little too high. I have to get under it because the nail's a little out there, so get under it to get that nail out. There we go. We got it here. Same thing here. Not get under. Just nailed a little awkwardly. Cool. Got it. Another one here. Ooh. There we go. Got it right here. Still not lifting them above 45 degrees. Just have to get under it just to get it here. Another one right here. well as our control area. We'll have alrighty, we already, if you can hammer here, brother. We already see a little bit of hinging here on shingle 3, as well as on shingle 5. This is just taking out the shingle, but as you can see, we're brushing off. We'll continue going. We'll push this thing in and we'll get it right back in there. Just document everything before and after. So I can see where the shingle's going. That entry there. Put a different L in there. Trying to make sure that these go sit in flush. Alright, so we'll brush everything off. We have our nails in. Alright, can you pass me the phone there, brother? Alright, so after putting the nails in, we do have pretty significant hinging here on shingle 3. So that has failure here. So that failure on shingle 3. Pretty significant hinging here on shingle 5. And again, I'll just brush off our control area. You guys can kind of see here. Cool. So we'll go ahead and document everything. For every one shingle that we replace, it looks like we may be damaging 2. It's just creating a domino effect here. So we'll go ahead and get good photos of everything and document everything over. Thank you.